In this video, I'll show you the best VPN to reduce ping in Fortnite games. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for gaming. First, let's talk about why a VPN can help in Fortnite. High ping and lag can happen if you're far from the game server or if your ISP throttles gaming traffic. A VPN can help by letting you connect through a different server, sometimes closer to the Fortnite server, or by avoiding throttling, giving you a smoother experience. For this tutorial, I recommend NordVPN. Here's how to use NordVPN for Fortnite. First, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along with this tutorial. Once you've signed up, download the NordVPN app from the App Store, Google Play, or their website and log in to your account. On the main screen, you'll see a list of servers. To reduce ping, connect to a server that's geographically close to the Fortnite game server you want to play on. For example, if your match is on a European server, select a NordVPN server in France or Germany. After selecting your server, tap Connect. NordVPN will establish a secure connection, and your IP will appear as if you're in that region. In the settings, you can switch to the NordLynx protocol for the fastest performance and lowest possible ping while gaming. Once connected, launch Fortnite, and you should notice smoother gameplay, reduced latency, and better match performance with friends across different regions. NordVPN also includes extra features like threat protection, obfuscated servers to bypass restrictions, and a strict no-logs policy to keep your data safe. With over 8,490 ultra-fast servers covering 129 countries, you have plenty of options to optimize your Fortnite experience, no matter where you are. Make sure to try it out using the link in the description to get the best price and enjoy faster, safer, and smoother Fortnite sessions.